In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the hertz of your PC's monitor. First, right click on your screen anywhere in the screen. Click on display settings here, and in Windows 10 and Windows 11 the process is same for both platform. You can find the same options available in both operating system, but in Windows 11 sometimes the interface might not like be Windows 10, so you just need to find out these options, but you can find these advanced options in this display settings section. So when you find the advanced display settings, just click on it. Now you will find the refresh rate here, and this is the hertz of your PC monitor. You will find at the right side of your screen, in bottom right side of your screen in Windows 11. Now from here you need to click on it, and you will find there is some hertz available for your PC's monitor, and you can find the maximum hertz and the lowest hertz that you can use in your PC's monitor, and you can easily change it according to your needs. But I prefer that you need to you need to select the maximum hertz for your PC's monitor for more smoother and faster display output. It's vary on your monitors. Some monitors supports 120 Hz, some monitors supports 80 Hz, 90 Hz, or some monitors supports 240 Hz. According to the monitors, various monitors available in market that have higher Hz available in them. So the more higher hertz available in your monitor, the more smoother and faster experience you can get as the display output. So hope you got it, and if you found this video helpful, so give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.